Another day of filling up that motherfucking shoulder. Be getting that Hellcat spoiler put on. And that windshield tint, man. Y'all stay tuned for the video. Alright, man. What's up, YouTube, man? As y'all see, we getting the Hellcat bumper put on today, man. That nigga gone. Damn, my shit's spinning. Nah, I'm saying we never go over the speed limit. We only go at 80. Never go over the speed limit. Yeah, y'all, I'm gonna cut back when me and my boy get to the place to where we gonna get our shit tinted. So yeah, oh yeah, don't mind this. I recently did that. I fucked up, but yeah.
Wait, open up your truck real quick so you can pop this trunk.
Hey, bro, you care if I say some like out of pocket shit?
No, you can't say the N-word. That's all you.
No.
Yeah, that's all you can't say. I'll edit it out though. But if you do,
Wow. I won't say the N-word. Number one, because I'm white, and two, because I got standards.
you have standards. Yeah, they don't care.
I'm from 815.
We getting that tint done. Ah, I got on fucking, what's it called? These rocks hurt.
Today we're here with this Charger.
On God, on God.
We finna tint these taillights. It's just finna be looking fucking mint. You understand me? And then we lowering this.
Oh, talk now.
Oh, we gotta have them redneck friends.
You know what I'm saying? On God. Okay. He got a bit cigarette. Look at that.
Bro, you're like an 80-year-old Asian man just working on cars.
Man, I ain't gonna lie, I wouldn't take that disrespect, gang. You got to spin back.
This is your house.
Damn.
This is your castle.
You can go home, man.
Alright, see you. Get you. You like 35 minutes.
Trip his ass.
Yeah, you gonna take that expressway all the way the fuck back.
Alright, I'm gonna cut it back when we get into the process. Ugly ass boy. Tell that shit.
No time to wait, shorty.
Tight shit.
Call me to go to. Oh my god.
Ooh, that shit gonna look hard.
Oh my god.
That shit gonna look crazy. You gotta do it next. Oh God.
I do.
Damn.
It's in my headlights though.
I want to, but I know I'm gonna get put over to the motherfucker, bro.
Oh my god, CJ.
That shit's gonna look
That
evil.
shit is, you finna look evil
That
now.
shit's gonna look, bro. Wait till the diffuser gets here, bro. With the 5-inch tips.
This ain't sticking out, boss. You take off the wrong side or some shit? Or you didn't take enough off? How old is it?
Shouldn't be that old. It's like about a month old.
Oh yeah, that's not that bad.
That's fine.
I got the white people working for me now.
I've been working for
Gang shit, nigga. Throw that shit up, G. What that motherfucker do? Get my thumbnail.
Stacks. You suck at this, man.
Come on, Ben. Keep doing it. See? Why
And
the
it cools
fuck
down.
are you using your fingers, bro? Stop using your fingers.
Stop using your fingers, pussy.
What are you doing?
Okay, now use the card.
All right.
It's melting, nigga. I can smell it.
Like, what are you? There you go. Hard.
That's burning the
hold
fuck out of my hand.
Hold it, bro. I got a
Light it
Bunsen
again.
burner or not.
Use the card.
You got a Bunsen burner?
I got a burner.
Focus, man. Light it again.
Oh, dude.
I have it before.
Light it again. Use the card.
No, that's fuck me.
There you
That's
go.
gonna burn the
Light
shit.
it again.
Close.
Use the card. Keep moving your hand up and down. Bro.
God damn.
I ain't gonna lie, Ben. You're getting hold.
Bro,
Don't
it's,
give a shit.
it's
I'm trolling. I'm trolling.
I don't give a shit.
All right,
This
now
is
use
burning my fucking hand. That's the real fucking problem.
be a man.
So this what a finished product look like.
That shit looks sexy as fuck.
That bitch black as hell. Damn, let me turn the light on.
Looks gay.
That's what it look like with the light on. You really can't tell. Oh, never mind. Now you can tell the difference. Good shit. Yeah, that shit look hard though. But I'm gonna hit y'all back when that one is done. I gotta record my video, you fucking poser.
Fat ass bitch.
Damn, I wouldn't take that. So yeah, that's the finished product, y'all. Not gonna lie.
Shit looks so
It look decent, but we did it a little ghetto. Who cares? Hey, whose tent is that?
Oh, that's part of the tent. That's fine.
It's the what?
It's part of the tent. It was access. You know, because we put the bit.
Excess.
It was the access.
Not
It's-
access.
It's the shit we cut off when we were done. You know.
Oh, type shit.
That shit's bright as fuck, my guy.
Ben's illiterate. It's alright.
He's a what?
I'm a literal. What's cracking, gang?
Oh shit.
It's excess, asshole.
Hey, bro. I'm finna record your plate. Sound.
Huh?
I'm finna record your plate.
My plate?
Yeah, I think I should show them it.
Why?
Cause
I'm already
like,
a convicted felon.
I think I should show them it.
Why would you do that?
Nah, I'm
Show
not.
him your plate. Oh, you did.
Yeah, I did.
You next, bro.
Hey, I just zoomed
I'm
into
next.
your dick on accident, bro.
For what?
You gotta take a sip. For X, bro.
Alright.
Yeah, he said, get that shit out of his. What the fuck?
What happened, bro? I didn't know
How you do that?
I thought you was on it. I thought
Oh.
you had a flashlight.
Oh, he's a demon.
Shit fucking sucks.
It does look tough. I ain't gonna lie.
Just that little.
I need the spoiler on there ASAP.
Yes, you do.
Oh, God.
It still looks pretty sick.
Car stuff is hard.
I'm gonna end today's.
I know work on car no more. Car broke down.
Shout out to Ben because he did help with this. I ain't gonna lie. And then I'm gonna put Mikey's music in the video. You know what I'm saying? Y'all go fuck with his shit. And then we got this ugly bum. He kills people. No face, no case. Bye, y'all. I'm gonna end today's video, y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man.
Walking, rocking, Fendi, pointing, blaming at her. Bitch, I might go insane and had her on her. Bitch, I might catch a body and hardly be bothered. The click that you came with, they looking rich.